Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Today we are starting with the reaction, oxidation and reduction. Reactions in which one reactant undergoes oxidation whereas the other gets reduced during a reaction are termed as redox reaction. In redox reactions, understand that if oxidation and reduction both takes place, then the reactions are termed as redox reactions. So what is oxidation? What is reduction? Oxidation is the gain of oxygen or the loss of hydrogen. If in a reaction there is a gain of oxygen or either the gain of oxygen or the loss of hydrogen, then the reaction is termed as oxidation. But if in a reaction there is a loss of oxygen or the gain of hydrogen, then the reaction is termed as reduction reaction. So always remember what is oxidation reaction, what is reduction reaction, and when these two happen in the same reaction, that reaction is termed as redox reaction. See this activity. In a china dish, we have taken this copper powder, and this copper powder is heated through this flame of the burner, and it is kept on this tripod stand on this wire gauge. You can see that there is a black coating, though copper powder is brown in color, but after heating you can find that there is a black color coating, and this black color coating is because of the formation of copper oxide. The surface of copper powder becomes coated with black copper 2 oxide. Right? This reaction you can see Cu plus O2 gives CuO. 2 is for balancing here. So what is happening? This copper is combining with oxygen. Means what is the reaction termed as here? This is oxidation. If hydrogen gas is passed over this heated material, that is copper oxide, which is a black color material which is formed after the reaction, if hydrogen gas is passed, this black color changes again to brown. And you know that before the reaction copper was brown. So this copper oxide, after passing hydrogen over it, changes to brown, means the reaction is reversing. Right? So this is the reduction. You can see this copper oxide is reduced to copper here. Means oxygen, it is losing oxygen here. When it is gaining oxygen, it is oxidized. When it is losing oxygen, it is reduced here. But H2 at the same time is oxidized. So this is being oxidized, this is being reduced. So oxidation and reduction both takes place in this reaction, means the reaction is redox reaction. So if a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. And if a substance loses oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. Right? So during this reaction, because oxidation and reduction, this is oxidized, so oxidation is taking place, this is reduced, so reduction is taking place. So when in a reaction both take place, oxidation and reduction, the reaction is termed as redox reaction. With the help of this flow chart, you can understand well what is happening in this reaction. This copper oxide is changing to copper, means reduction takes place here. It is reduced to copper. Hydrogen is being oxidized because it is combining with oxygen. So oxidation takes place here. Means this is a redox reaction in which oxidation and reduction both takes place. Next is ZnO plus C. In this reaction you can see after the reaction which are the products formed here. This is zinc and carbon monoxide. Carbon is changing to carbon monoxide, means it is being oxidized, whereas zinc oxide is being reduced to zinc. So in this reaction again the oxidation and reduction both takes place. The reaction is termed as redox reaction. What is oxidized here? Carbon. Carbon is oxidized to carbon monoxide and zinc oxide is reduced to zinc. So this is a reduction and this is an oxidation. One more reaction is there for redox reaction. This is MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2 plus Cl2. So what is oxidized here? What is reduced here? MnO2 you can see it is changing to MnCl2, means it is reduced here. Right? This is being reduced. Whereas HCl is converted into Cl2 and H2O, so it is being oxidized. If you see that it is changing to Cl2, means it is removing oxygen. When there is a loss of hydrogen, and when there is a loss of hydrogen, the substance is oxidized. Right? If you see hydrogen here, it is converting to water, means it is combining with oxygen, means this is HCl is oxidized, whereas MnO2 is reduced. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.